I got a mad case of the hiccups. If anyone has any good ideas about how to shake the hiccups, I would be very much obliged to that universal secret. Try a couple ideas. Holding my breath. I'll try that and see how it works. Yeah. I hiccuped. What else is there? There's the glass of water. I have liquor. I don't have water. I don't think that would quite be the same. That might just add to the process. Counting sheep will work, so 1. Oh, I got the one. One sheep jumped the fence, and then the rest are stuck on the other side. It's a Pepsi can. One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. It is an NRT show. I will be playing the part of Dale Harding. So it should be a great show. Damn it, I can't stop hiccuping. So, you should come see it. It's gonna be a great show. I guarantee it. I have 1 cookie left. Don't think I'm gonna eat it. Might save it for tomorrow. A ham and cheese sandwich left, which I didn't eat, which I really don't want right now, but would probably be very good in another time. I just dropped it on the floor, so I'm definitely not gonna eat it now. Let's see if I can shoot it in the garbage can. Probably not, but we'll see if I make it. Right here. Not only did I miss, but I missed by like at least 10 feet. It was that bad. Happy St. Patty's Day. I have the hiccups.